Formal charge is the charge of an atom in a molecule. To figure out the formal charge, you need to use a simple formula. Formal charge is equal to the number of valence electrons minus the number of non-bonded electrons plus 1/2 number of bonded electrons. This can also be written out as number of lone pair electrons plus 1/2 number of shared electrons. Either of these work. So, what does this mean? Let's use the example of CO2. And let's figure out the formal charge of this carbon first. Carbon is a group 4 element, which means it has 4 valence electrons, minus, so let's use the first one in this example, number of non-bonded electrons. It doesn't have any non-bonded electrons. That would be these two dots here, representing electrons. It has 0 plus 1/2 number of bonded electrons. Well, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. And each of these represents a pair of electrons. So really it has 8 bonded electrons. So 4 minus 4 is 0. This carbon has a formal charge of 0. Now, let's do the formal charge of oxygen. And we'll use this version instead. Oxygen is a group 6 element on the periodic table, meaning it has 6 valence electrons, minus, so number of lone pair electrons. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lone pair electrons, plus half number of shared electrons. So like I said before, each of these bonds, 1, 2, indicates 2 electrons. So in total it has 4 electrons that are shared. Half of 4 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is going to be 0. The formal charge of oxygen is 0.